Hello, welcome to Brodix. I'm Greg, Brotherton. Give you a quick tour from start to finish of what we have here at Brodix. We get the heads up from our foundry. This is a raw casting, a finished raw casting we call it. We got some big blocks here. Come down here, we have some small block stuff, a little bit of everything. We've got some BD head on top. We've got some VR heads similar to LS compatible. Pretty much a little bit of everything. The majority of our heads, when they come in from the foundry, they go through an initial qualifying process. So what we'll do is we'll set the head up on our initial fixture. We'll qualify the ends, drill dowel holes for reference. Then we'll go to the other machines with it to do the second stage machining. This is where we also qualify our aluminum big block or small block blocks when they come in. And we cam and crank them on this machine also. It just came off the machine where we did the rough cam and crank bores, installed the snap rings, any operation that's done right before it goes to line hose. Okay, for the inline valve heads, they go straight from qualifying to the second op, which we put them on the rotary and spin them and machine every flat surface. Yeah, this is one of our mini porting machines. We have several of them that run pretty much 24 hours a day. This one right now is machining, I run a big block, 3 extra. Finished VR heads. Everything's been done except for install seats and guides, which will be at the second from the last process. This is one of our mini small block Chevy machines. Right now it's machining some running small block Chevy heads, and then on the right it's bowl blend and port matching simultaneously while the other machine's machining it. Down this row we do a lot of our big block Chevy heads, pro stock, anything with a compound angle. We do it on 5-axis machines. This area where we do our big block Chevys and small block Chevy blocks. Start out qualifying the ends, qualifying the pan rails, then we put them on the other machines to do pretty much everything else. These are semi-finished blocks. The next process is to go to the final boring of the cam and the crank. We're not going to show you that process today, it's proprietary. This is the last process of the block. Some customers want it completely machined, so we do offer line hone services, bore, hone, decking, so you can get a complete block from us ready to assemble. This is our dyno room. We do a lot of R&D. We have a motor we're testing on there right now, 598 big block Chevy. We're getting towards the end of the process here. Right now we're installing the seats and guides, and after that it'll go up to just the package work, valve jobs, and finishing work. This is the last step of the process. This is one of our several SERDs that we do all the finished valve jobs on, and then we any hand blending that needs to be done. So this is a final assembly where we final check everything, set install heights, and assemble. This is part of our parts department and shipping. We stock most major parts, springs, retainers, locks, valves, sleeves, engine parts, crankshafts, you name it, we pretty much have it here in stock. This is what we have lined up to ship today. This is where we process the blocks for shipping, boxing, weighing. crating. This is part of today's shipment. That's pretty much the whole tour. We produce everything right here in America. Thanks for coming in.